How to remove professional account from Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to remove a professional account from Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Instagram application on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. I'll show you how to simply remove a professional account. For that, you have to go to your profile. On your profile, if you have a professional account, then it will show you the professional dashboard and your profile will be professional. To switch profiles and to remove a professional account, click on these three lines at the top right corner and then you have to select settings. In settings, you can see we have different options and you have to go to account. Then scroll all the way down to accounts right here and you can see we have the option of switch to a professional account or add a new professional account. So if you have already logged in with a professional account, then it will say switch to a personal account. So you can switch or you can remove your professional account from this option right here. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.